DJ Edward here, and welcome to Sessions. And now for the first set, the episode 2. Let's go.
People say that I'm everything must come to an end. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to lay your head. Not even your smile is sweet as a smile. Not even if you make me darling, please. 'Cause I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if your smile is sweet as a smile. Not even if you make me darling, please. Time after time, nothing that I can do. Knowing you wasted, loving you waste, but not getting through at all. Day after day, leaving the past behind. Moment to turn sweet, sweetness and birds and learn to fly again. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even your smile is sweet as a smile. Not even if you make me darling, please. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if your smile is sweet as a smile. Not even if you make me darling, please.
Thank you!
Yes, thank you very much.
Alright, good evening to everyone! Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and welcome here at Session Bar. And kami po ang episode 2 having our first set. It's another Friday night. Ayan, magandang gabi sa mga nasa bar and sa kanila. Good evening.
Kay Boss Erwin.
Boss Erwin,
And kay Kuya Dave, long time no see.
magandang gabi po.
And kay Pare Ron, engineer.
Asan ba?
Doon si Dulo.
Nasa dulo, ayan. Dito po ba kami mga special occasions going on? Birthday, anniversary, mansary, divorcery. Sinelebrate na rin, di ba? Ay, may nagaganap po ba sa inyo mga bossing? Madam, meron? Wala naman. Chill-chill lang. Kasi malapit na magpasokan. Kailangan
Sa
na
mga
talaga
nasa taas din,
mag-chill.
magandang gabi po. Kasali po kayo dito.
Hi!
And celebrations, madalang sa amin yung pangalan para mag-read natin. And request 3 to 5 songs. Hanggat alam po namin, ipa-play natin. Pero pag hindi po namin alam, pwede palitan yung banda agad-agad. Hindi ka damay, para.
Ayan, kila boss dito, magandang gabi po. Ayan, sa mga nasa bar, kila Boss Erwin. Baka may celebration, Boss Erwin, ha? Baka may nagaganap, ha? Alright, so guys, habang naghihintay tayo ng pansit, ay na ano, pansit agad, ng requests and greetings, ayan. 3 to 5 songs po, huwag po kayo mahihiya. Alright, so we'd like to proceed and give you a beautiful song from Mr. Mike.
Total trees belong to other man. 'Cause each time I get close, they fall apart again.
Feel my heart will beat
hero. I'm taking my home singing to
And to tell, I miss something to see the message in your eyes.
Suddenly,
There was some emotion, and I'm ready to say, hello.
suddenly,
I don't need the answers, 'cause I'm ready to take all my chances with you.
you're all that matters. I deny for anything you say.
I don't care, but no illusions shattered. If you're there, was there what you should say?
Suddenly, there was some emotion, and
I'm ready to say any ocean.
suddenly,
I don't need the answers, 'cause I'm ready to take all my chances with you.
why do you feel so alive when you're near? There's no way any hurt can get through. Lost
To stop
at the moment of the day with you. Suddenly,
there was some emotion, and I'm ready to say any ocean. Suddenly, I don't need the answers, 'cause I'm ready to take all my chances with you. Thank you very much. So that song coming from Olivia Newton-John and Mr. Oliver Felix.
Yes, ayan, baka may mga request ha.
Oo, baka po may mga request kayo, 3 to 5 songs, pwede nyo pong isulat. Pag samasamahin nyo na po yung mga, ano nyo, ang tawag doon, OST,
Team song.
Original Soundtrack.
symptoms.
Soundtrack pala. Para sa pelikula. Ayan. Let's go na, sir. Meron po ba celebration? Wala po. Ah, gusto po ni Boss yung New Wave. Oh. Kahit ano pong New Wave. Malay mo naman matuwa si Bossing sa atin. Natuwa talaga si Bossing. Ayun, syempre dito po muna every Fridays and Sundays. Yung mga sa dulong-duluhan po baka may mga nagaganap dyan, huwag po kayo may ipaalam sa amin. Mga nasa taas din.
Pwede po kayo mag-request.
Hi!
Ayan,
Good
magandang gabi
evening.
po.
New Wave, ano ba to? Nag-iisa
New Wave.
sila. Any New Wave song. Sige, sige.
Pwede, pwede.
Yan. Asan
Ayaw,
yun?
kaya.
Sige, sige. Yan para kay Bossing.
Sige, anyway.
Malay mo naman matuwa sila sa atin, pumalakpak sila. Palakpak lang pala. Okay.
Bigyan natin.
Sige.
Nyungib.
Nyungib. Lumayas pa yung nyungib.
Okay.
Naglayas sa keyboard. Nagkaroon ng sakit.
Nung una, no, wala lumilipat-lipat ng aero, wala na talaga.
Napagod na napagod.
Wala, bro.
To live on the strangers, you know me. I'll always be there when you're in town. It's when you're in danger. Take a look all around, and I'll be there. I'm so lost, just thinking on the ride with the sail. I know that it sounds the way I'm glad it to be. But if you ain't around, I'll beg you for me. I promise you I will. When you're taking soon, it's always September. 'Cause you know what to do. You'll always be there. Sometimes you are shy now. It's not what intended. This world's just come out. With no hopes to bend. I'm so tired of singing on the ride with the say. I know that it sounds the way I'm glad it to be. But if you ain't around, I'll make you for me. I promise you. I'm so tired of singing on the ride with the say. I know that it sounds the way I'm glad it to be. If I had one word, I'd make you for me. I promise you. I promise you I will. Sound the way I'm glad it to be. If you ain't around, I'll beg you for me. I promise you. I'm sorry about this thing on the ride of the stairs. I know that it sound the way I'm glad it to be. If I had one word, I'll beg you for me. I promise you. I promise you I will. Every time I'm with you, I feel shot right through in a bottom blue. It's a problem of mine, but it's a problem of mine. Living a life that I can't live behind. There's no sense in telling me the wisdom of the fool set me free. That's the way I goes, and what nobody knows. Well, everywhere I go, it's wrong. Every time I see you falling out, every time my mind is unready, I'm waiting for the final moment.
some of our new wave songs. Ayan, sana natuwa si Bossing doon sa new wave. natin. Ayan, just give us any requests and greetings. Ayan, kasi alam namin nga we'll play it for you. So habang naghihintay tayo,
Alright.
sige, ayan. Ayan guys, we still have 2 more sets to go. Mamaya po, second set, pwede kayo makiawit sa amin, ha? Ngayon dito sa gitna. Sa mga nag-chill lang. Ayan, let's go. Ayan, I'd like to give you a
Yeah.
couple of OPM songs.
Okay.
Okay, ah.
Right. Waiting for your request. To be an audience. Correct.
Walang ilaw sa aking pag-iisip. Wala nang dahilan pa siyang maghiwalay. Nagpaalam pagkat di tayo bagay, nakapagtatagay. Ganito ang aking kapalaran. Di ba ilang uli yan ang nagpaalam? Bawat paalam ay puno ng iyakan. Nagkakataga, hindi ka ba napapago? Hindi ay nagsasawa sa ating mga tampuhan. Walang hanggang katapusan. Nabayad na mga luha, madami ng puso'y tiga. Wala nang maibubuga, wala na akong maramdaman. Walang ulang-ulan at nasaan ka araw na paano ng pag-ibig sa isa't isa. Wala na bang nananatiling pag-asa? Nakapagtataka, saan na napunta? Hindi ka ba napapago? Hindi ay nagsasawa sa ating mga tampuhan. Walang hanggang katapusan. Ang bahid ng mga luha, ang dami ng puso'y tiga. Wala nang maibubuga, wala na akong maramdaman. Kapalit ang mga luha, madami ng puso'y tiga. Wala nang maibubuga, wala na akong maramdaman. Kung tunay tayo rin mamahalan, kung tayo magkasundo.
To be a song.
So, the OPM song.
pinakahihintay natin. Ito na tayo, magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, sarap ng mga nakap na sandali. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim.
On guitar.
Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Ito na ang pinakahihintay natin. O ito na tayo, magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, sarap ng mga nakaw sandali. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Halika na at sumibig na sa kama. Lasahin natin sarap ng pagsasama. Sa ating pag-ibig tayo ay umasa. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim.
Here's another OPM song.
Batang bang pagpapalang ako, kailangan ko lamang ang iyong sa mundo. Yan ang totoo. Nagkakamali ka kung akala mo na ang buhay ay isang munting paraiso lamang. Batang-bata ka lang at akala mo na alam mo na ang lahat ng kailangan mo malaman. Buhay ay di ganyan. Tanggapin mo na lang ang katotohanan na ikaw ay isang musmus lang na wala kang alam. Makinig ka na lang, makinig ka na lang. Come on guys, can you sing with us? Ganyan talaga ang iba
Busy sila.
pagkat ikaw parang walang nalaman. Inig isang payo, pagkagustos ka lamang at malang maaga wasto sa kamalian. Batang-bata ko na lang ito, inaamin ko rin na kulang ang aking nalalaman. Naunawaan, ngunit kahit ganyan ang kinalalayan, alam ko na may karapatan ang bawat kilala. Kahit bata pa man, kahit bata pa man, nais mo sanang malaman sa katotohanan sa iyong paglaranas sa pamamagitan ng ang isipan sa kulay ng buhay. Nais ko sanang malaman balik sa katotohanan.
At ang bata ka lang at akalang alam mo na ang lahat na kailangan
Sa piling pagranas at pamamagitan.
Nagkakamali ka kung akala mo na ang buhay ay isang muling paradiso lamang.
Apo.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ito, Summer Prom.
Ako, and welcome na rin yung mga bago natin. Welcome you guys.
Ayan, kila mami over there. Happy birthday po. Hindi pala siya may birthday. Wala pa yung debutant natin. Wala pa. Ibangan natin ang ating debutante, di ba? 21 years old. Tatawa. 21 years old. Oo, malayo pa yata pang gagalingan nun eh.
Ang kasinan pa.
Pangasinan. Ayan, baka may mga request po kayo dyan ha. Huwag pa kayo mahiya. Pwede niyo pong isulat sa malinis na papel. 3 to 5 songs. Basta po alam namin na we'll play it for you. Pag hindi namin alam, naku, pasensya na po talaga. Or pwedeng palitan ang banda. Banda agad. Ayan, syempre kila Boss Erwin.
Ayan,
Ang,
diba? Yung mga nasa gitna, baka may request.
Oo. Mamaya po, matatapos na ang first set namin. Ayan, sige. Ibigay natin yung favorite song ni Boss Erwin. Para hindi na mapagod magsulat.
Kasi kabisado na natin eh.
Summer down the hall. Yung pala yun.
Yeah.
I got a person 6 ring for the father died. Later to a baby's bed was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a bad and we tried real hard to quit till he got married. I should have known we'd never get one. Oh, I can look back now, but some
Yes, thank you very much. Maraming Boss
Boss
Erwin.
Erwin.
And thank you for sweet compliment.
Salamat po sa...
Umaga biyaya.
Oo, pabili ng antibiotic.
May panggas na kami.
Kami din.
Panggas na ano na motor. Yung di ata. Kubota.
Kami naman try sa
Kubota.
Ayan. So anyway, just keep on sending your requests and greetings. Ano ba yung... alam niyo yung favorite songs ni Boss Erwin? Puro mga
Brian McKnight.
Brian Higgins. Ayan po yun, sir.
Ito magbibigay.
Okay, bibigyan ka
Na
talaga sa'yo.
request. Bigyan ka ng request.
Wala na po ba kayong yelo? Tissue. Baka po, wala na po kayong tissue.
Magbenta si Jopay.
Po? Oh, anong pangalan ni Boss? Baby. Oh.
Ano?
Sige, mag-meeting muna kayo dyan. Mag-meeting din kami dito.
Sige, welcome natin yung mga bagong lagay na. Yeah, welcome.
Huwag kayo magulo. Nandito si, Senator Tulfo.
Sino, si Erwin?
Kompleto tayo.
Oo.
Oo nga, no? Ikaw ay uwi na.
Sige.
Amin kang hihintay.
Sige. Ito na.
Ano yan?
Oo. Ay, si Bossing, Tina Turner.
Si ano yan?
Ay, salamat po, Any song.
Any song?
Tina
Walang
Paner.
problema kikita.
Yung ano, yung...
Tina Paner. Ayan. Sige, bigyan natin kay Bossing. Salamat po ulit. Ipapagpag natin. Ayan. Sumayo na lang. Growing when I need my heart's on fire. You come to me, why? You come to me, you promises the world dreams. Speak the language of love and no one means. You're coming home. Tell her it's so big. Simply away. I see the stars of every night and day. In your eyes, I get lost, I walk away. Just as long as I'm here, I'm free to go that place. Slipping away. Matsina.
Paner.
Tino mo.
Yeah, maraming salamat.
Tira
Tira
pa,
mo.
sir. Ayan. So, abangan pa natin yung mga... Maraming ano to si Boss.
Tino. Boom.
Maraming mga artist.
Yan may-ari ng chocolate.
Nag-iisip na yan, yung lagay na yan. Nag-iisip na ng ibang na yung song, di ba?
Oo,
Salamat po.
isip lang po kayo, boss.
Basta laban o bawi. Yan, sige. Ayan kay Madam, magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi pa siya sa ano, di ba? Sa gabi ngayon. Magandang babae sa gabi.
Yes, magandang gabi.
Oh, ayan. And syempre sa mga bagong dating, sa taas. Alright. Abangan pa natin. Bossing, ano po, meron pa po ba kayo naiisip? Si Boss, hindi ko alam,
Boss
Boss,
Erwin.
Boss Erwin Turpo. Oh.
Boss Erwin.
Diba?
Erwin. Magpaka-Merry Christmas pa si Sir, ha?
Ano? Ano po?
Mamaya.
Ano po?
Beatles.
Beatles. Wow. Sige. Beatles. Yes. And this will be our last song for our first set. Gusto ko sila 2 more sets to go. Ayan. So stay lang po kayo. Medyo kakain lang po kami. Medyo lang.
Yeah, sige. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Nobody ever loved me like she does. Oh, she does. Yes, she does. And if somebody loved me like she does, oh, she does. Yes, she does. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm in love for the first time. Don't you know it's gonna last? It's a love to last forever. It's the love that no best. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. And from the first time that she really done me, oh, she done me, girl. I guess nobody ever really done me. Oh, she done me, girl. Don't let me down. 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 Don't let